CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 12th of June 2025. James Saldana emigrated from Nigeria to another country to save his life as a Christian, but efforts are being made to send him back to Nigeria. He says that if he goes back, he will definitely be killed. Solomon Burrow said that he used to use a lot of drugs, which made him hate God's people. But from the Word of God he came to know that the peace of the whole world is with God, so he stopped persecuting people for God and his drug habit was also cured. Liz Seo, despite many difficulties, conveys the Word of God to Christians in Eritrea. It is very easy to reach people in their own language through the new Bible study radio program. There is no risk of any attack. People do not even have to gather in one place. Rafika Tour's story reflects the situation of all women in Niger. Islamic extremists came and Rafika was pregnant and came forward because of her Christian identity. She was then subjected to physical abuse and lost her pregnancy. Lieutenant Samuel Kamleson, an officer in the Indian Army, was falsely accused and dismissed from the army because of his Christian faith. Samuel said that everyone turned against him because of a discussion about idolatry. Now he has been accused of corruption at work. Regarding the persecution of Christians in North Korea, Pastor Sung Suk Wang says that Christians worship secretly in North Korea. The pastor was captured along with his family. All his family members were killed, so they are living a very painful life. Phanam Bina said that he often sees Cambodian people suffering in natural disasters. In the recent earthquake, Cambodia suffered a lot. When aid arrived, Christians were ignored, which is clearly religious prejudice. He said that Christian organizations that are working with the church should provide aid to Christians. Aurelio Gazira says that his church was burned down in the Central African Republic. He himself was injured and some of his church members lost their lives and some were injured. However, these attackers are still at large and the threat is increasing. Brother Andrew says that while he was a Christian in Lebanon, he preached the Word of God to Christians facing difficulties and helped them. It was not Hezbollah that arrested him and he continued to suffer oppression during this time. He was rescued in a military operation. Salah al-Yemeni is a woman who adheres to the Christian faith in Yemen. She told some trusted soldiers about a certain Islamic extremist gang. When the group was captured, Salah was also attacked and seriously injured, but she has continued to serve God. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.